Welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for the best electric commuter bikes of 2024, you are in the right place. Today we are going to review the top 7 electric bikes that are perfect for your daily commute. From sleek designs to powerful motors, these bikes offer a range of features to suit every need. Whether you are navigating busy city streets or enjoying a leisurely ride, we have got you covered. Let's dive right in. At the first position of our list, we have the ACTBEST Core Electric Bike. This bike stands out with its robust design and impressive performance. The ACTBEST Core features a powerful 750-watt motor that provides excellent acceleration and can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. This makes it ideal for those who need a quick and efficient way to get to work or run errands around town. The bike is equipped with a long-lasting 48-volt 15Ah lithium battery, which offers a range of up to 50 miles on a single charge. This ensures that you can commute for several days without needing to recharge. The battery is also removable, making it convenient for charging at home or in the office. In terms of design, the ACTBEST Core Electric Bike is built with a lightweight aluminum alloy frame that is both durable and easy to handle. The bike comes with a front suspension fork which absorbs shocks from uneven roads, providing a smooth and comfortable ride. The integrated LCD display shows important information such as speed, battery level, and distance traveled, allowing you to stay informed throughout your journey.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Next on our list, we have the Qlife Cityone electric bike. The stylish commuter bike is designed to offer a seamless blend of functionality and aesthetics. Powered by a 500-watt brushless motor, the Qlife Cityone delivers smooth and efficient performance, reaching speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. This makes it perfect for navigating city streets and getting to your destination quickly. The bike features a 36-volt 12.5Ah battery, providing a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge. This is ideal for daily commutes and short trips around town. The battery is easily removable, allowing for convenient charging and ensuring that you are always ready to go. The Qlife Cityone boasts a sleek and modern design with a steady aluminum frame that is built to last. The bike is equipped with front and rear lights, enhancing visibility and safety during night rides. The integrated LCD display provides real-time information on speed, battery life, and trip distance, helping you keep track of your ride. One of the standard features of the Qlife Cityone is its comfortable riding experience. The bike comes with a plush saddle and adjustable handlebars, allowing you to customize your riding position for maximum comfort. The bike also features a reliable front suspension system that smooths out bumps and ensures a pleasant ride on various terrains. At number 3, we have the Urban Go folding electric commuter bike. This bike is perfect for those who need a compact and portable commuting solution. The Urban Go features a 350-watt motor offering a top speed of 20 miles per hour, making it suitable for city commutes and short distance travel. One of the key highlights of the Urban Go is its foldable design. The bike can be easily folded in seconds, making it convenient to store in small spaces or carry on public transportation. Despite its compact size, the bike is equipped with a 36-volt 10Ah battery, providing a range of up to 30 miles on a single charge. The bike's lightweight aluminum frame ensures durability while keeping the overall weight low, making it easy to carry and handle. The Urban Go is equipped with a rear suspension system that provides additional comfort by absorbing shocks from rough roads. This ensures a smooth and enjoyable ride even on uneven surfaces. The integrated LCD display shows essential information such as speed, battery status, and distance traveled, keeping you informed throughout your journey. The bike also comes with front and rear LED lights for enhanced visibility and safety during nighttime rides. The number 4 position is held by Gotrax NEPHELE 16-inch electric commuter bike. This compact and versatile bike is perfect for navigating crowded city streets. The Gotrax NEPHELE features a 300-watt motor that delivers a top speed of 15.5 mph, making it ideal for short commutes and urban travel. The bike is equipped with a 36-volt 7.5Ah battery, providing a range of up to 20 miles on a single charge. This is sufficient for most daily commutes and short trips. The battery is built into the frame, giving the bike a sleek and modern look while also protecting the battery from external elements. In terms of design, the Gotrax NEPHELE is built with a steady aluminum frame that ensures durability and longevity. The bike's 16-inch wheels are designed to offer a smooth and stable ride even on uneven surfaces. The integrated LCD display provides real-time information on speed, battery life, and trip distance, helping you stay informed and manage your ride efficiently. At number 5, we have the Jasion CB1 26-inch electric commuter bike. This bike is designed for those who want a reliable and comfortable commuting experience. The Jasion CB1 features a 500-watt motor that provides a top speed of 22 mph, making it suitable for both urban and suburban commutes. The bike is equipped with a 48-volt 10Ah lithium battery, offering a range of up to 45 miles on a single charge. This allows you to commute for several days without needing to recharge, making it a convenient choice for daily use. The battery is also removable, allowing for easy charging at home or in the office. In terms of design, the Jasion CB1 is built with a durable aluminum frame that ensures long safety and stability. The bike features a front suspension fork that absorbs shocks from uneven roads, providing a smooth and comfortable ride. The integrated LCD display shows important information such as speed, battery level, and distance traveled, keeping you informed throughout your ride. Number 6 on our list, we have the EBKAROCY Electric Commuter Bike. This bike is designed for those who need a powerful and efficient commuting solution. The EBKAROCY features a 750-watt motor providing a top speed of 28 mph, making it one of the fastest bikes on our list. The bike is equipped with a 48-volt 15Ah battery, offering a range of up to 50 miles on a single charge. This makes it ideal for long commutes and extended rides. The battery is removable, allowing for convenient charging and ensuring that you are always ready to go. The EBKAROCY Electric Commuter Bike is built with a sturdy aluminum frame that is both durable and lightweight. The bike features a front suspension fork that absorbs shocks from rough roads, providing a smooth and comfortable ride. The integrated LCD display shows important information such as speed, battery level, and distance traveled, keeping you informed throughout your journey. Finally, at number 7, we have the Heybike Cityscape 2.0 electric commuter bike. This bike is designed to offer a comfortable and reliable commuting experience. The Heybike Cityscape 2.0 features a 500-watt motor, providing a top speed of 25 mph, making it suitable for urban and suburban commutes. The bike is equipped with a 48-volt 12Ah battery, offering a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge. This ensures that you can commute for several days without needing to recharge. The battery is also removable, allowing for convenient charging at home or in the office. The Heybike Cityscape 2.0 is built with a durable aluminum frame that ensures longevity and stability. The bike features a front suspension fork that absorbs shocks from uneven roads, providing a smooth and comfortable ride. The integrated LCD display shows important information such as speed, battery level, and distance traveled, keeping you informed throughout your ride. And there you have it, the 7 best electric commuter bikes of 2024. Each of these bikes offers unique features and benefits, ensuring there's something for everyone. Whether you are looking for speed, comfort, or portability, these top picks have got you covered. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Happy commuting!